Helen Pashgian's art is a masterful exploration of light and space. Using a variety of materials, including plastic and fiberglass, Helen Pashgian creates sculptures and installations that challenge our perceptions of the world around us. One of the most striking aspects of Pashgian's work is her use of light. Her sculptures often feature intricate, transparent forms that appear to glow from within. This effect is created by using materials that are both translucent and reflective, such as plastic and fiberglass. As the viewer moves around the piece, the light changes, creating a dynamic, ever-shifting visual experience. Pashgian's sculptures also have a strong sense of movement and fluidity. She often uses curved forms and organic shapes, which lend a sense of natural flow to her work. These forms also suggest a connection to nature, evoking the shapes and patterns found in the natural world. In addition to her sculptures, Pashgian also creates installations that play with the viewer's sense of space. By using mirrors, she creates the illusion of infinite space, making the viewer question the boundaries of the physical world. These installations are not just a visual experience, but also a spatial one, as the viewer is encouraged to move around and explore the piece. Helen Pashgian's art is not just a visual experience, but an exploration of light and space. Through her use of translucent and reflective materials, she creates sculptures that appear to glow from within, while her use of curved forms and organic shapes lend a sense of natural flow to her work. Her installations also play with the viewer's sense of space, creating the illusion of infinite space and challenging our perceptions of the world around us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a like. Sharing the video with your friends and on social media helps us to reach a wider audience, and we appreciate your support. We have more great content coming soon, so make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you back on our channel soon.